Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've done an update on my 175 square foot micro studio here in downtown Las Vegas. But one thing that just happened is we actually opened up our community kitchen. There's two community kitchens downstairs that I've never seen, but they're supposed to have, you know, some appliances, an oven, and that sort of thing. But now they're open, and I'm gonna run down there and give you a quick tour and see what it looks like. So let's go. So this is pretty cool. We actually have a community kitchen. Well, technically I think it's two community kitchens where we can come in and cook, obviously, with stoves and ovens. So there's two of those, and then there's another little dining area here. That is something that just recently opened up, was closed for Rona. But it's a pretty cool idea here. So if I really want to go to town and start making some really good, it's even a gas oven and gas stove. And if I want to start making some good meals, because I don't have an oven, I come down here. Maybe for the holidays, maybe not, but you know, it's pretty interesting nonetheless. Community kitchens, got two of them.